In your web development project, sometimes you need a gallery to showcase your beautiful images, but you struggle with the responsiveness of the gallery. The images may go outside of the page or there is a horizontal scrolling issue. Don't worry, I am going to solve this problem for you forever. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to my channel, otherwise you will definitely miss my videos. I am going to show you 3 different tactics to create a beautiful image gallery that fits in every screen. Whether you are building a matrimony image gallery or product image gallery, these 3 methods are supported everywhere. Sounds interesting? Let's get into the first method. First, make a container having a class of gallery container. Then inside it, make a container of class photo item. Place one of your images in this container. Now copy this photo item container several times and replace the images inside of it. The same HTML structure will be used for the 3 different methods, so no need to change it every time. Now create a CSS file and link it with the HTML page. Select the gallery container class and make it 5 columns by column count 5 and give every column of 300 pixel width. Next, select photo item class and give it some margin so that there is some space around the images. Give it a maximum width of 400 pixel and width of 100% so that it never over increases to its original size. Now select the image and give it a width of 100% to take the full width of its parent container. Your image gallery is ready. Now take a look. Resize the browser window and every image is completely responsive. How awesome is that? I am going to add some transitions. Select the photo item class and write overflow hidden. In the image, write transition of all, 0.2 second of duration and transition timing function of is in out. On hover over the image, it scales 1.1 times and enlarges a little bit. You can add as many styles as you want, the possibilities are endless. Now look at the gallery and hover over every image. Awesome! I am commenting this code. Select the gallery container class and write display flex so that every image is placed side by side in a row. Then wrap the images when touching the browser wall by applying flex wrap property. Apply 10 pixel of gap in between images. Now select the photo item class and define how much it grows and shrinks when resizing the window. It is defined by this flex property. When applying a style, I want you to look at the browser and see what changes are reflected. Now apply a height of the container, otherwise it will take the full height of the image. Okay. Now select the image and give it a width and height of 100%. Then cover the container with the image by this property. Change cover to content and look at the difference. Give every image a border radius of 5 pixels. Your image gallery is ready. Take a look. Now comment the above code. Select the gallery container class and apply display grid property. You need to divide the grid into few columns by grid template column property. I am dividing this container in such a way that the images inside it have a minimum width of 400 pixels and a maximum width of its column width, meaning 1 fr. The images will be automatically fit inside the columns. After dividing into columns, apply 300 pixels as the height of an image. By this property, grid auto rows. Add some gap between the rows and columns. Now adjust the height and width of the images. Apply width and height of 100% for every image. An image should cover each small grid container. Write object fit cover. You can add the same transition effect as applied in the first method. Your image gallery is ready. Let me know in the comment section which gallery did you like the most and have great responsiveness. Download the source code from the description below. If you have learned something new from this video, consider subscribing to my channel to help more people to learn web development. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Stay connected with us and I will show you in the next video.